What up? It's your boy, Tony Boney. I'm on a bicycle in town. Look what kind of setting this is, man. It's fucking beautiful, dude. Religion! Yeah. Just making this quick video because I just remembered a dream I had this night. Yep. It was I was in my room, and you know, like three weeks ago I had like trouble with a bird on my room window. Because, well, if you don't know what I'm talking about, check out the videos. It's birds being weird, and well, that trouble's over. Wow, what the fuck? Shit. It's basically done. That video, that bird. But I dreamt about that bird, man. That bird was like in my room, and it was, and I saw it and I was like, what the fuck? And it was like, yeah, I don't know the words. Rood borsje is what we call it, but probably has another name. But it was in my room. And I was like, what the fuck, what you doing in my room? And I went closer to it, and it was shitting, but it was shitting eggs with no shells. And well, it was only shit like once, and then I went to get it and shed another egg with no shell. So like, yeah, like a splooge of egg yolk. So that was pretty strange. But eventually I got a hold of the bird, and I released it back outside my window. So that's about it for that dream. Yeah, later on, or previously, I dreamt that I was in my room also, and I had like a blonde chow chow dog, and it was like super sweet, and it was laying on me, and yeah, suddenly it was gone. I don't know what was up with that, but my sister has a chow chow, and he acts like that, so he really is like the sweetest dog ever. We had a lot of dogs. That dog is like strange, dude. So yeah, that's about it for this short little dream vlog. Thought I'd show you the fucking country. This is Belgium, dude. People staring. I don't give a fuck. Chickens. Wow, special kind of chickens, man. So yeah, that's it. Tell what you think. I don't know what to think about this. Got some friends, they always say like it's symbolic. Well, this is like really symbolic, I think. I've set the bird free, so I don't know. Pretty strange. Let me stop this. Okay. Yeah, I just remembered a few months ago I saw a cloud, spirit cloud, go over the streets, and there was no house. So pretty strange.